Unong Aiktian Geseng Voice of the People's Party VPP Dr. Batskem Myrboh. Ulapan pau bagi Jingdon UMP nagane geseng Dr. Ricky Ejison Konhadali ka Jingkyrmen ke Thymmai ke Jingdawai ke line permit. Habakaran halo ke Jingdawai ke line permit ke jela Meghalaya. Dr. Batskem Myrboh ulakno bagi sengsan pertai ke sarkar MDA lajno nak seng HSPDP kilong gibam tikna kanong rim. Kiju keno bak ILP ketentuat iki kampen roy bargin sawan pediang yaka tang hadian baka Manipur kalayo Batskhem arhazar ka kendai. Ulapan syai baka Meghalaya ka kamdan kam yaka ILP banya ka Manipur. Nama ke Jingkyrmen ki ritpat ki degi tribal ha Manipur kaduna yaka sanho nak shispa. Kat bah Meghalaya ka buan hadok prapun reu nak shispa. Ka VPP ke dawa ya ka ILP ke bapura om ya kilat jingada ke batang dep kumbala ke do sembut menteri rang ba kejela ubak presiden tensong.
You see, I've been maintaining this that now the clamor for ILP has in fact increased, or rather I would say the seriousness has increased, not because of the MD government, but because we have our MP in Delhi. So the efforts of our MP has also pushed the MDA government to be a little more serious than they had been so far. If you see the ILP demand in Meghalaya, all the political parties that are in the MDA, except the HSPDP, they were apprehensive of the ILP in the past. So, how much they are really in favor of ILP now, it is a matter of a big question. You see, the political parties in Meghalaya, they started to agree with the demand for the implementation of ILP only after 2019, when ILP was implemented in Manipur. Before that, all of them, they were holding the opinion that ILP would affect development. So how much they have changed now, I don't know, but I doubt their seriousness. So the delay of the central government with regard to the implementation of ILP in Meghalaya, I would say it is unfortunate, and Meghalaya deserves to get ILP. If Manipur, which is a state where the tribal people are in minority, because the majority in Manipur are non-tribals, and non-tribals is more, is more than 50%. But in Meghalaya, the percentage of tribal population is around 86%. So Meghalaya needs ILP more than Manipur, in fact. But the approach of the central government here, it is highly disappointing with regard to the demand from Meghalaya.